Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Club Pro Plus true wireless sound earbuds, and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So the first, I can recommend you to charge them at least to the 50% by using this USB-C input. And another step, it's very simple. You have to just open the case, and after that these two indicators will start blinking on the white, and it means that they are in the pairing mode. So the headphones are visible to other devices. And another step is very simple. Just don't close this case. Open the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. You can just restart, so power off and power on. And right now just select JBL Club Pro Plus True Wireless Sound from the available devices list. After that, accept the pairing request that will appear on the screen. As you can see right now we are connected, but we have to get another step complete. So we have to open the Play Store or App Gallery if you are using the Huawei phone. You have to open the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type JBL. We have to get this application, JBL headphones, tap install. Okay, right now we can open this application. Click to get started. Tap accept. Accept all of this permission that will pop on your screen. And then when you connect your JBL Club Pro Plus by using the standard Bluetooth settings, like in my case, they will be already in the application, so we don't have to find them. You can tap on the right upper corner to skip all of these settings. You can make it later right here in the application. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. That's the battery level of the earbuds of the case, and also other additional features like noise cancellation, ambient sound, or for example the sound equalizer. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.